What is the right entity for operating your business enterprise or your investment opportunity? Is it an S corporation or a limited liability company, perhaps a limited partnership or even a C corporation? Sometimes a trust is the most appropriate method for operating your business. It may well be that more than one entity is required to seize all of the opportunities that are available to you. Virtus Law has developed a four-part process for determining how your business should be structured. First, we review your entity formation needs from an asset protection perspective. We put fences around your assets so that the liability of one distinct business activity does not impinge upon the equity of another opportunity. We also want to make sure that your personal assets are not exposed to your business activities unnecessarily. Second, we analyze the most efficient manner for distributing operating income. When you form a business, you receive income as a result of your investment as well as the exertion of your efforts. The compensation income derived from these distinctly different activities are taxed wholly differently. We want to make sure that you are not bearing a tax burden that is unwarranted. While the setup of a structure such as this may be more difficult and time consuming for both the lawyer and the client, it promises to generate a substantial return on the investment of time and attorney's fees. And it has in almost every instance I've encountered. Third, we study your capitalization alternatives. Capitalization is the method by which you secure your ownership interest in the enterprise. There are methods for securing your ownership which yield tax benefits immediately. We find most entities are formed in a manner that does not seize the opportunity to take advantage of these current income tax benefits. Finally, we teach you how to take advantage of owning a business. Have you ever heard somebody talk about being in business and being able to write off certain aspects of their travel, their transportation expenses, entertaining clients who may well be friends, or being able to write off expenses they incur irrespective of whether they're reimbursed by their employer? This final step of our four-part process is geared toward teaching you how to operate your business so as to minimize your income and increase your cash flow. That is our four-part process for creating and managing your entity formations. If you're interested in learning more about how to create the right entity and create it correctly and the power of defensive planning, contact Virtus Law at 612-888-1000 to schedule a time for an initial consultation. We will explain how a good defense scores you points.